Hey guys, my name is Bruce Atole, and this is the first episode of my video series called Money in the Bank with PowerApps. In these episodes, I will look to show you how you can use Canvas apps to leverage existing functionality within your Dynamics environment more efficiently, which in turn allows you to save money to put back into your bank account. Each episode will start with a specific business scenario, and I will show you how you can solve this using out-of-the-box Dynamics functionality with no code, and then compare the time it takes to complete the same tasks using a Canvas app. Now, in today's scenario, this organization wants their sales reps to easily capture visits to their clients, noting the outcomes and any follow-ups required. Clients in Dynamics, we could use the out-of-the-box accounts entity, and for any of the follow-up items we required, we could use the task activity, whilst the actual visit itself could be recorded in an appointment. So in this scenario here, this sales rep will have three accounts that they want to capture their visits and follow-ups for the day. And what we'll do is we will time how long it takes to capture these activities in Dynamics using the standard interface without any customizations or coding. Now we could use some custom coding here, but what I wanted to do was just baseline it using just out-of-the-box capabilities and features. And you will see this takes approximately 2 minutes and 18 seconds. And now we will switch over and see how we can do this using our Canvas app. So what we have here is your standard gallery listing, and we have bounded to a couple of fields of the account entity coming from Dynamics. And what we have here is the arrow navigating here to a new screen which we've built, and we're passing through a couple of variables and values which we'll use on that next screen. On this actual screen here itself, you can see that we have a couple of placeholder fields to capture our appointments notes and follow-ups. And also we've added this label here which we can bind to the variable account name, and that will just show us and help us interact, showing that which account we're actually working with. On the actual submit button itself here, what we do is we have this wired up to a flow, Microsoft Flow, and what happens here is that this flow here would do all the heavy lifting and pushing the data into Dynamics. Within Flow itself, we'll have these placeholder variables which will get the values passed through from the Power App, and we will map these onto the actual appointment record within Dynamics. Smart thing too about Microsoft Flow is we can have a condition to say that if that task field is populated, then we know that there's a follow-up action to be created, and then going down the happy path, we'll create this follow-up task on the account record. Let's have a look now to see how long it'll take us to capture those same activities using our newly created Power App. As you can see, we're creating these records a lot quicker using our purpose-built Power App, and takes us approximately 50 seconds to complete the same tasks. Now, using the web UI, we're averaging about 46 seconds per account record to complete the tasks required, whilst with the Power App, it was taking us approximately 17 seconds, giving us a savings of approximately 30 seconds per account record with the Power App built in under an hour. Taking it further, say this organization's KPIs for their sales reps was to visit 6 accounts per day. That will give them a savings of approximately 3 minutes per day. And if this organization had 10 sales reps, that will give them 30 minutes per day in savings. Times that by 250 working days in a year, and that's looking at 125 hours this organization can save. Now, using a pay rate of say $20 per hour, this organization could save $2,500 per year through using this Power App, which was created in under an hour. Now, I strongly believe that due to the portability and convenience of Power Apps and some of my conservative estimates, that the savings this organization would realize would actually be significantly more. Let me know your thoughts or feedback in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for what business scenario you'd like for me to tackle next, please reach out to me on Twitter.